Hi, welcome to Pensacola Computers Presents. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a simple movie with Windows Live Movie Maker. If you don't already have it, you can get it at get.live.com. We want to go ahead and open up Windows Movie Maker, and then the first thing we're going to do is just start a new project by going to the menu, selecting New Project. Once that's done, we want to add some photos. We can click on the Add Photos to open up our photo selection. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the Control key and just select a variety of photos. Here we're using an example from a vacation folder. And what we want to do when we're selecting the photos, it's especially important if we're going to add music to our movie, which we are in this case, is to select the correct number of photos. We want to have enough photos so that the transitions and the time that each photo is on the screen is good enough for a person to watch. If we don't have enough photos, the pictures are going to be on the screen for far too long, and if we have too many, the pictures are just going to whip right by. So we want to make sure that we pick, about a right number for the song that we're going to have. Once we add all the pictures, what we then want to do is we want to go through the pictures by clicking on them and taking a look to make sure that the pictures are good for the movie. If we run into one that's kind of out of focus or something, we can just right click on it and select Remove, which removes it from the movie. Go through the pictures, make sure that they're looking good, keeping in mind how many pictures that you have so they fit to the music. If we delete a whole bunch, we may want to add some more. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the AutoMovie button. This is a great feature. It will automatically add transitions, music, everything else to our movie. We'll click OK, and then it's going to ask us if we want to add some music. We do. We click Yes. We'll then go and we'll select a song to add to our movie. We click on the song that we want, click Open, and Movie Maker will then automatically create a movie, time it so it fits the song perfectly, and add transitions and everything else to our movie. At this point it's about done, though there's a few things that we can go and we can alter. We're going to click on the title here, double click on it, and it brings up the little text box, which we can then change the text for whatever it is, just say what we want. Like any text box, we can make changes to it by sizing it, moving it on the screen so it fits in the right place. We can select the text. We can change the text color, the size of the text, even the text font. We'll go up, click on the little font box, select a font, see if it's what we like. If it's not what we like, we can go back, select a different one until we find the perfect font. Once we've got that done, what we can do is we can move down and we can go to the end of the movie, click on the end. Same thing here again. It's just a text box. We can alter the text, select it, change the text, type in something that we want it to be. Once we've done that, we can use the sizing borders on the text box to move it and to get it to fit how we want. If we see that we've made a mistake on the text, just like a text box, click in it where you want, change whatever you need to change, size it until you've got it just right. Now the great thing about Movie Maker is that it allows you to publish your movie in a variety of formats. Once you've got it looking how you want, you can save your project, but then it gives you the option to publish it out to the web or save it or do whatever. The nice thing is you can actually preview the movie before. So we're going to set the bar to the beginning of the movie and then press play. This is going to play the movie just as it would be published. You'll be able to see the transitions, hear how it fits to the music. If everything's looking good at this point, you then have to decide how you want to publish it. Where are you going to publish it to, and how do you want to save the movie? There's a number of options. You can actually directly publish this movie right up to YouTube. You can save it as a high definition 1080p. Fantastic. Save it in a variety of formats on your hard drive, and for each one of the formats there's different sizes. Before you save and publish it, what you want to do is you want to save your project. That way you can come back, you can make some changes to it, you have it saved in case anything goes wrong with the rendering or anything like that. So we'll save our project, give it a name, Once the project's saved, then we can decide how we want to save the file itself. Like I said, we can either publish it, or there's a variety of formats. As we hover over each one of the formats, it's going to show us about how many megabytes each minute of the video is going to take up. This is an important thing when we figure out the size of it, and it does give you an option. You can even email this if you want, but you really got to be careful on the size of it. In this case, we know exactly how long the song is, so we can figure out pretty much about how many megabytes total it's going to be in the format that we save. We'll just do a quick save here on standard. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically that's it. That's all it takes to make a movie in Windows Movie Maker. Very simple, very easy, and very cool. We appreciate your time, and we'll be back soon with another great tutorial. Thanks for watching from Pensacola Computers. You can see us on the web, pensacolacomputers.com.